Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me quarantine edition. Basically, I'll be doing a natural look that you can wear on a daily basis. I don't wear makeup on a daily basis, but this is a look that you can use. Also in this video, I'm going to be doing some facts about me, so I'll be telling you guys some things about myself. Yeah, so without further ado, let us get into this video. First thing we always do is prime our face. I will be using this Wonder Skin. I know you guys can hardly see it, but anyways, I'm going to be using this AOA Wonder Skin Studio. It's not the first time I've been talking about it. If you guys would like to know my beginner's makeup kit, I will link the video down below. It'll be in my description down below. So yes, let us get into this makeup look. So I'm going to get a little on my fingers. By the way guys, this was super cheap. Alright guys, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to rub it up. I kind of put too much because I think my thing just burst. So anyways guys, let us get into this getting to know me video. So the first thing I have is have you ever, and the first one is have you ever been drunk? And that is a no. I've never been drunk ever. I do drink liquor, but I've never been drunk. The next one says have you ever cried yourself to sleep? Yes, I have on a few occasions. So yeah. Alright, so the next part of my makeup look, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'll be using this simple method by using a pencil and my spoolie brush. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my spoolie brush and I am going to do my eyebrows. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal and my little concealer brush, and I am going to clean up my brows. What am I saying? Now I won't be using a foundation today. I'll be using my concealers as my foundation. So I'm going to put on the shade Beautiful Bronze and Fawn. since I've been home for a while, my shade has gotten lighter, so that is why I'm using two. I normally use Beautiful Bronze, but and this one is kind of light for me, so I can't wear this one alone, so I just mix them. As you can see, guys, it is quite light. That is why I mix it with this. And then this one is really dark. So yeah. So that's what I look like right now. And I'm gonna take either, sometimes I use this, sometimes I use this one, and I just take it and, you know, blend it out. I'm gonna use this one right now, and I'm gonna spray it with some finishing spray just to get it a little moist, and then I'm gonna blend it. Right now this one ain't working out for me, so I'm gonna use this one. And sometimes I use beauty blenders, but right now all my beauty blenders are finito. Like, I mash up all of them by mistake. So I'm gonna give you an advice. When you have a beauty blender, wash at the same time, because I didn't follow that advice, and yeah, no more.
Alright guys, so now continuing with my makeup look. I have to take a call. I'm gonna be so angry. Why every time I decide to do a makeup thing, it's like
Makeup with a powder, so I'm going to use my Fit Me powder and my powder brush, my flat powder brush. Then I'm going to set that makeup. I'm taking one of this. This one not working with me. I'm taking this one right here and putting it here. I can't even see myself. I don't even know what's going on. Give me 1 sec. Guys, this is a rough time to film. Alright, so I feel like I want a little bit of color-ish, but I don't want it to be too bright. So I'm gonna check in this palette. I'm gonna try and use this little color here. one right here. See how that goes. Good. Yeah, so this one is kind of brighter. Anyways guys, so I'm gonna be adding a little shimmer to my eyelid. Just a little dab. I don't want to add a lot so you can actually show too much. So that is why I'm adding this one. Oh yes, by the way, sorry. I am using this shade right here to the eyelid. Alright guys, so by the way, my face have a lot of like fine bumps. So I've been using a detox cleanser. So yeah, so next fact about me is going to be I love Pepsi. Next I'm going to be taking my what is this, I Love Extreme I Man of Noble mascara. I'm going to be taking that and putting it on my lashes. Before I put on lips or highlights, I'm going to take my finishing spray, my Zuru Flawless finishing spray, and I'm going to do that. And I'm not stingy. And before that dries, I'm going to take this shimmery eyeshadow here. Ooh. Take a kind of, it's not nude, I don't necessarily like nude, so I take like a darkish pink, whatever this is, yeah, and I'll put that on my lips. You're not going to take a lip gloss, you could use lip gloss instead of the lipstick, but I wanted lipstick, so I'm going to use lipstick. And you hit a little on, and I don't necessarily like my lips without them being lined, so I'm gonna line my lips. Okay guys, so before we end this video, I want to give you 3 more facts about me, and that's going to be my biggest fear are spiders, my biggest what do you call that, bad habit is going to have to be my nail biting. Not proud of it, but it happens. And then 3 things that make me happy would be my family, YouTube, food. I love food. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Consider being a part of the Shakay squad. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.